Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Bibisita si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos sa Japan from 26 to 29 May 2026 sa imbitasyon ng Government of Japan. Napakahalaga po ng biyaheng ito sapagkat ito ang pagkakataon para makapag-usap si Pangulong Marcos Jr. at Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi tungkol sa kooperasyon ng Pilipinas at Japan sa larangan ng seguridad, maritime and defense, ekonomiya, energy resilience and decarbonization, at emerging and future-oriented sectors. Inaasahan rin na mag-uusap ang dalawang leaders tungkol sa mga regional and global issues na nakakaapekto sa Pilipinas at Japan gaya ng ASEAN, challenges sa Indo-Pacific region, at developments in the Middle East. The President and the First Lady will be received by Their Majesties the Emperor and Empress at the Imperial Palace for a welcome ceremony and a state call. Their Majesties will also host a state banquet in honor of the President and the First Lady. During their audience, the first couple and the imperial couple will mutually confer and exchange decorations. The President will also hold a summit meeting with Prime Minister Takaichi, where the two leaders are expected to discuss Philippines-Japan cooperation. Inaasahang mag-aanunsyo ang dalawang bansa ng mga bagong kasunduan sa defense, trade and investment at human resources. Nakaschedule din ng Pangulo to meet with Japanese business groups and members of the Filipino community in Japan. Ito ang kauna-unahang state visit ni President Marcos Jr. sa Japan. The Philippines and Japan are commemorating the 70th anniversary of the normalization of their diplomatic relations this year.